Good to see everybody safe.
Where are we?
Hey, hold on. This is the Holoholo jungle. Oh no, this is bad. Really, really bad.
What's wrong, Milliard? Is it bad?
Shut up, dingbat!
Seriously, what's wrong, Millie? Is this place dangerous or something?
They say that even the most seasoned travelers get lost in this jungle. You need this rock called the Landmark Stone that's been bewitched by the headmaster of the School of Magic. Otherwise you can never escape.
I get it. That is bad.
How can you be so calm, dummy? Go ahead, kick back while you rot to death. But I'm not ready to turn into Holoholo compost. You got me?
Okay. Why don't we calm down a little? I'm sure there's a way out.
Oh no, oh no. Was that a Holoholo bird? We can't let it find us or else!
I think it found us.
But look, it's carrying young. Doesn't that make it a friendly bird?
Why do I bother getting mad? The Holoholo bird carries its young when it goes hunting for food.
Oh.
Which means it's hunting for food right now!
Stop arguing. This isn't the time. Get your Magnus ready.
This is bound to hurt.
Here.
Nice timing.
There.
Ice Bang! Sigil Cry! Scorch!
Ice Bloom!
Okay.
Ice Bloom! How about this? Ice Bag! Sigil Claw! Scorch!
You win!
Sorry about that.
I didn't really have time to notice before, but that is one big bird.
You certainly won't go hungry if we end up stranded here. It might even taste like clucker. Not that I'd know the difference.
Stop that. We can't just sit around, or Shanath and his goons will get a head start. Let's find some way out of this place.
I should stay here and try to repair the Svita. You continue the operation, Master Soggy. I'll have her up and running before you can say mission complete.
Thanks. I appreciate it.